Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build your individual blog posts from basic to pro. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard, and in the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps and select Smind Sections. Once the app loads, click on the Library tab and type Blog Post. Browse the results, and you need to find the section labeled Blog Post Articles 1-1. Then click the Install button and click Customize to be immediately redirected to the Shopify theme editor where the new section is active. Now we are in the original blog post section provided by your theme, and I want to hide it. Just click that little eye icon so only the new layout is visible by clicking Add Section and select Blog Post Articles. After that, we need to customize the layout for this section. For sidebar position, you need to select Right to display widgets alongside your article content. You can set the sidebar size to large and set the heading size to medium for your sidebar titles. If you want to save vertical screen space on phones, allowing users to expand the sidebar only when they actually need it, you have to toggle on the option for Enable Collapsible Sidebar on mobile. Next, I'm going to customize the sidebar widget. First, the Recent Post block, and select the blog category you want to display. Then you need to set the maximum items to 3 and toggle off Show Dates and Show Author for a much cleaner look. Next, the Tags block. You need to choose your preferred tag style, Style 1 or Style 2. Then the Category block. You can select a menu to display, like your blog categories, and change the heading to Quick Links. Let's get visual with the Instagram block. You can upload 3 images featuring user-generated content or products. Then make sure to add specific product or collection links to each image. For sales, you need to use the Popular Product block and select a key product to promote directly within the sidebar. For promotions, you also need to use the Image Banner block and upload a promotional image like a sale banner and add a link to the relevant offer page. Finally, the Social Media block. You can select one of the 3 icon styles and update specific social icons if you need to. After that, you need to configure the title block elements. This controls the metadata near the title. You should toggle off Show Category, Show Author, and Show Date unless timely content is super important for you. Then you can set the title size to medium size. Next, configure the tag and social blocks and adjust the visual style for the tags and social share buttons that appear within the article content area. Finally, check the navigation block and adjust the title size for the next or previous post navigation links at the bottom of the article. For the final check quality, you need to view the page in desktop full screen to check that right sidebar alignment. Then switch to mobile view to test that collapsible sidebar functionality we set up earlier. If it works smoothly, click Save to publish your changes. And thanks for watching.